Hey guys, so I think some of you might be accumulating a lot of activity points. So today I'm going to show you how you can make use of that in the rewards gallery. From the navigation panel over here, just tap onto rewards. At the top of the screen, you will see the balance. Go down here, tap on how to earn activity points. And that will actually give you a full list of the different ways that you can earn. Once you feel like redeeming some of your activity points, you can just go into the rewards gallery over here, and that's where you will see the different rewards that you can exhaust your activity points on. So right now we have a per packs session that you can get for free, as well as a per pod session. We are working to bring on board more exciting stuff, so stay tuned for that. Once you have actually redeemed something from the rewards gallery, you will want to go to My Rewards, and that's where there will be redemption details on how you can use your rewards. Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about redeeming... Talk about what? Rewards, Just rewards, is it?
So redeeming activity points in the rewards gallery.
Oh, okay.